back to my channels. In this tutorials, I'm going to explain how to configure Mitsubishi inverter with a fixed 5U CPU in-built-in Ethernet port. So let's start the video. First of all, open your project and select a fixed 5U PLC, and after that scroll down and go module parameters. In module parameter there are element port, so simply click Ethernet port, wait for a new window, and this is your new window. And here you can see this is the CC-Link IP basic settings. So by default this is not used, so simply click and just select use, and below side you can see network configuration settings and refresh it. These are two settings required for the configuration. First of all, click detail settings. Here you have to add your devices, remote devices. So I'm going to add 800 series inverter. Simply click and drag and drop. Here you can see your data link register 6403023F is your input output address registers, and 32 points your buffer, yani your holding registers. So simply this is your IP addresses, station IP addresses. You have to enter in inverters these IP settings and subnet mask also. After that your inverter is have to ready for the configurations. So first of all click yes, and now I'm going to refresh settings. Have to mention your IO data register settings. So since this is our the first station configurations, so I'm going to add XY and D registers. W. Signal processing X1, it will start from 1000, and inverter enable voltage command signals by 1000 and D register data. So after that click check results, apply. Your settings has been configured complete, and simply click connect. Repeat done, and as your setting has been completed. There are two methods to run VFD through the logic. First of all, you have to, if you have function block tool, then simply drag and drop. If you don't have function block, so you have to create ladder logics. So for the function block, click element selections, and I have a function block inverter CC link I filled basic. So for the running, so for the monitoring frequency, simply click and drop, like you have to assign executions and station numbers. This is your monitor frequency command. For the reset errors, simply click and drag, click and drag and drop. Execution command, and this is your station numbers. Error reset command. This is your monitor alarms function block. This enable this function is enabled to read your alarms. Next is running. This is our right frequency. Simply click and drag and drop. Set frequency. This is your execution command. Station numbers and here you can set your frequency. And this is your right command. Frequency right command. This is your set parameters function flow. Now I'm going to convert the delete all functions. Okay, there is no other means you flow. Okay, what is ready for the completion? For the second method, simply click ends and the audio button. Simply ends needed. For the latest program, simply click session code and edit. You have assigned 34 weeks, 1000 to 1 3